I would definitely win that fight. I would win that fight 100%. Whoa! Whoa! What was that? That's a testing fire alarm. I'm sorry, I'm a dragon. Oh, Ember! Oh. Sorry, everyone.
2 hours later.
Okay, it stopped. They were testing the fire alarm here. No, Ember didn't burn anything. I swear, Ember didn't burn. But Ember's back. But he's getting Mike Wazowski'd. Ember did not like the fire alarm. He like instantly wanted to get on my lap right now. So and then I put him on my neck, shoulder. Ember didn't like the sound. Ember like instantly flew over to me and was like, pick me up, I want to be on your shoulder now. Ember was like, I didn't cause this, I didn't cause it. Neck, shoulder. Ember Wazowski. Ember Wazowski. Oh no, not again! Stop testing. Okay, I had to mute that. Stop testing the fire alarm. We might be dragons, but we are good dragons, right? We're good dragons. Sometimes. Sometimes. Okay.